Okay, so you need to display your leading zero on whatever number you have displaying. So for the example that you see here, I was working with a company that required the leading zero to where every number displayed in that column would be 6 full digits. So even if it didn't have a zero in front, we had to display a zero in front in order for it to sync up with their files. Show you really quick how this works. You're going to go ahead and highlight your column. You are going to format cells. When it comes up here, we are going to choose custom. Show you how simple this is too, because this took me a while to fill out. Where it says type general, you can literally erase that, and you are just going to type in 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to go ahead and see what happens here. So you see how row 3 has 9, 8, 3, 5, 6. Row 5 has 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. When we hit OK, we now have a leading zero, making all of them full 6-digit numbers, so it can be compatible with any system that you're using. All right, have a great day. Thanks.